mash a bus pipe.
What's up, Seashells? It's Shelly and welcome back to another I don't even know if I'm going to even finish this vlog because right now I need to be getting ready for FOF. This is my first FOF.
Okay.
Yeah. I forgot my tripod because I'm in the bathroom right now and I would have put my tripod right there so y'all could have gotten a great angle of me doing my makeup. And I feel away. Because I have nowhere to put y'all. Like the only place I could put you guys is right there, and I cannot put you guys right there because other people need to use the bathroom for one, and two, that is a horrible angle. So I don't know.
Where's that going now, Shelly?
Where's that?
Pop, pop. Yeah, man, I know YouTube people them. But Shelly, I know, yeah.
Is it?
I never know. I lie, I know. Time is always no, my friend. You know that?
No.
No.
Yeah. Yay! I found a way.
I look like I'm here. Spider there, I didn't want to.
And last nobody come up here. Oh my god, no, you're lying. Oh, god.
So all this?
Hmm?
Oh yeah, you know.
Okay guys, so this is what I came up with. I still have to put on highlight and stuff, but I'm gonna take a quick shower because everybody's ready and they're waiting on me. I'm not like take pressure. So yeah, I'm gonna do that and I'll be back.
Yeah, my friend, we're out here. We're just reaching.
What's any?
Any's here.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh gosh, you can put it on top. Gotta go put it on Mark. Yeah, thank you. Sure. Yes, of course, I walk with my belly. Watch my friend. Watch vlog.
We're out town. Hold up. Hey,
Yeah. Hey.
Ready off.
Ready.
It's time to party, bitch.
Sure.
You look good.
Woo.
Bubbling it up, bubbling it up, bubbling it up. Give me, suck on it up. No. You got some money, some boy money don't know. Some boy money don't know. Say pray. You got the man live crew or the girl live crew or the one call it.
Look at kiss.
See?
Yeah. Oh, here's the light.
Everything good. So just walk and drive, see. Spanish round too, big up.
Watch kiss. Guys. guys, wiggly and slayed by me, but it's falling off right now, so I can't really show it.
Right now, right now.
You can't be my friend. What is that?
I can't take on my friend.
First of all, I'm not take away a friend. I'm your friend. Full stop.
No that. No that.
However.
No that.
Mama, are your friend?
Mama.
From the get-go.
Yeah,
Shelby, hold on. I'm sorry. Hello, good afternoon. Pick up your friend.
Big up my baby.
Yeah, right that's a she. Right that's a she. Right that's a. Hey.
And this is what I look like many hours later. Surprisingly, although my sweat, the makeup is somewhat, you know, still intact. The ear start lift up as I expected, but I'm not going bad. So yeah, I think I'm going to end the vlog here. Thanks for watching. Don't even know if I'll even post this video, but yeah, bye. See you on the next one.